How to do if-for statement in Python. With Python, I would like to run a test over an entire list, and, if all the statements are true for each item in the list, take a certain action. Pseudocode: if test involving x is true for every x in list, then do this. It seems like there should be a simple way to do this. What syntax should I use in Python?
Use all. It takes an iterable as an argument and return true if all entries evaluate to true. Example. You will probably need some kind of generator expression, like involve is the action you want to involve for each element in the list. Your list is your original list. Certain _ action is the action you want to perform if all the statements are true.
I believe you want the all method.
Example, test all elements are greater than 0. Above originally used a list comprehension, if all x is greater than 0 for x in list _of _xs column, which is pointed out by Del Nan, thanks. A generator expression would be faster as the generator expression terminates at the first false, while this expression applies the comparison to all elements of the list. However, be careful with generator expression like. If you are using Pylab, launch Ipython as Ipython Pylab. The all function is replaced with number py.all, which doesn't process generator expressions properly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.